up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. My name's Laura. I'm Linda, and we're Lynn. Welcome back to our channel. And today we are vlogging again. Day 14. We're going to a Christmas market thing, I think, and then we're going to a boat parade with our friend later. So let's get on to the video. After her haircut. So here she is in her cute PJs.
This was
the Yeti.
What you doing in
Bought this bread at the Christmas thing. What kind is it?
It's just the regular market, Park Avenue Market.
What kind of bread is it?
It is mozzarella French onion made from scratch this morning.
It looks really good.
You want me to be once more.
yeah, there's not any butter all over.
Hang a shining star. Yourself a merry little Christmas now. Have yourself a merry little
Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below and subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified every time we upload a video. We said it was day 14 in the beginning, and it's actually day 15 because we uploaded our music video yesterday instead of the vlog, which was filmed yesterday. So yeah, Laura's back there making some cricket things. And yeah, you'll have to stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. I'll put a sneak peek of something we did today. And yeah, also stay tuned for some bloopers. Bye.